In this video, I'll show you how to fix the export error in Adobe Media Encoder. It's a relatively simple one to fix. You would just need to go through each of these solutions to find the one that works for you. So the very first thing we're going to do is head over to our Adobe Creative Cloud app. And inside of here, you need to come to Updates from the right. And first thing we're going to do is make sure our Media Encoder application is up to date just by hitting this Update button. And once you're fully up to date, you can then launch Media Encoder. And the first thing we're going to do is clear our cache by coming over to the Edit in the top left here, inside of Preferences, and come over to Media tab. Then underneath Media Cache Data, we just need to click this Clean button, and then come over to General tab from the left here. And at the bottom here where it says Video Rendering, we're going to change this to Software Only, and we're then going to come over to the Memory tab, and we're going to lower this number where it says RAM Reserved for other applications to the absolute minimum, which gives the maximum amount RAM possible for Media Encoder. Then we can head out of this window, and if that's still not working, the next thing we can do is change some of these export settings inside of here. For example, instead of using GPU acceleration down here, you can try using Engine Software Only, and we can also try changing things such as the format, or even changing things like the codec or the bitrate, as sometimes these can cause issues. You just need to play around with these settings to find which one works for you. And if that's still not working, another thing you can try is by changing the output folder, as sometimes a specific folder can cause this issue. And if you've tried all of those steps and it's still not working, the other thing I'd recommend trying is just completely uninstalling the application and reinstalling it. And hopefully that fixes the issue for you. And that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you fix the exporting error. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.